PDP, which way? My country people, you don't bust again on my country people. No be smart, you know. They say that they call River State Governor Wike. Say he no gree pico. Say he dey hang on them. Even the phone won't tear, it won't break. Say he know the pico. Say they hang on them. Say they don't know what they happen. No. Say Atiku they call. Say Wike no gree carry call. Say they don't know what they happen. Maybe I don't mind me. Say they don't know what they happen though. Say the phone self even. Say the phone won't break. Say Governor Wike no carry their call. Say they hang call. This election, no God. Now you go interfere for this 2023 election. No be small thing. Men a pardon me, the thing they make me they laugh. Say Wike no dey pick up. Say Wike dey hang on. Men a hear am. Why Wike no dey carry on a call? Where they for the talk am? Where they for the talk and say Wike no gree pick up? Say that they try to reach Wike. Say Wike no dey pick up. Even the phone won't burst. Bees don't call am fly or tetes fly everything. Tigbobo. They don't call Wike no gree pick up. My country people may not watch the video.
The Atiku Abubakar camp has been trying to reach out to Governor Wike, but he's ignoring their calls. Why is he ignoring their calls? Take, for instance, even in your state.
Why should you just send calls to Wike? Why can't you go to him?
But
you have offended him.
But if they call somebody to answer. Governor.
Answer what? When you're not there, will you answer? Why can't they go to him? When people ran away from this party, Wike was on ground. Wike was the one that brought me to PDP. He brought me back. Injustice was done to me in 2015. It was Wike that came here and convinced me to come back to PDP. I came to PDP, we are working, and you do injustice to him, and you think he will keep quiet? I mean, this is not fair. Me, I believe in justice, equity, fairness. But when you do the other ones that are wrong, it's not correct. It is not enough to say you put a call to him. It is an insult to put a call to him. You go to him. The party leadership at the national level should go to Wike and appeal to him. Wike is a pillar of this party. Everybody knows. Wike was second to Atiku. Atiku should go to him. But it is unfair to say that you just put a call to Wike without making mistake. I have no problem with Okoa. Okoa is my friend. But Wike would have been consulted. He would have been spoken to. So that we can work towards it. Everybody must not be in position now. We must not all be there. But the truth is that Wike would have been consulted in the first place, even before the announcement was made, because, like I said, 17 people out of that 14 people said that Wike should be vice. If that was not going to work, he would have been told that, please, we can do this. But politics is a game of compromise, we discuss. But it is wrong for anybody, and I stand to be contradicted. I don't blame Wike. They are to be blamed. Those people who are in leadership should be blamed. They would have allowed an opportunity to Wike to also have first-hand information. Because this is a man. Tell me one person in PDP today that has built this party to where it is today. And you come and just dismiss him with a wave of hand. I mean, it is not right. But I am saying that the situation we have today in Nigeria It's not about
Okay.
political parties.
Okay. Governor, you said that before. I had two questions.
It's about how can we get out of the woods?
Okay.
Nigeria is down.
Governor, Tom, if you can hear me, you said that before. The second question I wanted to ask you was, what is happening in your state? You're talking about the fact that power can't go to Idoma land. And some people are saying that promises were made in the past as regards power going to Idoma. I'm talking about local politics in your state.
I don't laugh finish. Pardon me. Sure, I don't watch her. Men are trying to share this video. Men are viral this video. Men are viral. He don't share it. He don't share it. We swear. It is swear. I not laugh. It is swear. No, the thing they make person they laugh. You know. They say that they call Wike. Atiku don't call Wike. Call. Say phone don't burst. Say Wike no gree pick up. Wike no gree pick the call. My people, now here I want for leave you guys.